for no target. Omo who said the way are no more con Ghana for omo ena dano. Ghanaians are no longer buying into their deceit, their propaganda. Into the omo yani say omo investors. He said foreign investors are more interested in the Ghanaian economy because they see it as a booming one. And what NDC wants to do, he say omo transi yenhwe hana foreign investors in the bar. Ejuma beba oman Ghana na wo a wo hwe mi wanya biaye wonu abia nya biaye wo fa ase bia wo wie school if our NDC time I am yantimi and station na nya ejuma ye omo matena fia chem mabru na sam ne ye ka no enya ejuma ye which mo kwan ema 2024 mu nya chance bia and what they have to do ni say so omo create chaotic scene omo oman ni mu ye beja and ye why which investor eno be pese odin sika abeka akoshe oman a emu asundwe enimu anase emu ye keja aha sa no mo pese omo eye and that some of us will not allow it because Ghana eye da ye nyina 24 se nkwanye da ta no aso sebinom so oti krom na se kronum ho a wo so oti mu bi enti konfo boni a wo hye nkom se Ghana embo no ebo ama wo akotena hen enti the NDC no style of politics, you know. That is what we want to counter. We are not saying everything is 100% all right, but you believe you mean say omaya obi atenase etimi say no. Yemfa da krope, yemfa mfie mienu mfie dukura ne siesie no. Eyemre na ade bia no. Na manfo ka fix the country, fixing the country no. Enye boom. Enye boom. Me said the ordinary Ghanaian be on number be na can fix the country. And can ye bufu. Say NDC presidential staffer John Mahama time. No take first staff house wo. Eji pay. Etwan ho ebeka kire wo wan yibi. Ah won mo etna say we Ghana sika honam nyina ma ombeka chese akaka se. Look, this is what we the youth know. Youth of Ghana. Look, let me and some now. Monte NDC NDC no. Look at how they came to power. They came to power unprepared. And the Rollins cool no buy and no better. It's our provisional National Defense Council. No, a provisional into omono ideology na a provisional ideology. Or by what in Crawford be seen and you say these people I'm going to write them down, make collapse no. And the enuma nkroma jama ye nyina de yam pass na Ghana ni akola hote akura ho enya ho mfaso. Budget na ye be pass na yetumi de atua free education for sika no. NDC for say ye man collapse ye ma ye ntua sa aka no man kola na nko school. Nembom abamba bendie. We are willing to give him $1.2 million to go for checkup. We are not a press conference. No, paper no. We care about Ghana. We are protecting the public purse. Yes, sir. You are protecting the public purse. And this is the way you protect the public purse. What Nanadu says, he does. Mr. Mahama, ebio NDC for. Ya wo hono mbeba be ka kire say the way our northern region come wo hono, okay? So munya project bi a ebeboa ye nuanom a omwo north. First yet Jida. Jida na omudi iskano. Yesan kote sada. Savannah wine poverty alleviation wine omodema and also no omudi iskano no ofofo yesan ko this can come nua no of ni nani nua no of ni so sebi otumi nya bibi edebo ano ho no ono ankase nua no of ni David exhibit no ene abuga pele no ene omudi iskano and confirm why you call yen and confirm na mbada. Youth in Guinea Fowl rearing, it never became a reality. Mutie. The NDC government was the people who promised this thing.
Enyame na mekae. Omo ye se wo mo be magana bebunu sika no. Ana mo be ma na adwuma no. They chop the money. Nyafo left, right, center. Enunti. And they can't deny this. Cause enyame na metia na meka. Me pacho Abuga Pele wan go jail. Why did he go to jail? David Exhibit, why did he go to jail? Say if what I'm saying is true, the American who did say true. Why were those people in jail for? Why did they go to jail? Those people were in jail because of what? Those people were in jail because they have squandered or spoiled Ghana's money. They did that. Mr. Mahama promised to give, and his NDC, they promised to give the youth work to do. But per the records, Mr. Mahama, 8.6 unemployment you left. When the unemployed association people came to you, graduate for a buy, you said you are not a magician to give them jobs or put money in their pocket. I always say, NDC Becca saw you the best. MPP Becca saw you the best. What me and you can decipher say, when me and one papa no is their record. The omo Are you understanding me? These two parties no the omo and they show say okay, where they are no pointed to a positive direction, where they are no pointed to negative direction. Other than that, if you leave it to me, I would always come and praise MPP. If you leave it to Sami Jemfi, you would always come and praise NDC. But Enjuma Mienu are two parties now, you know. Dear Hena Abua Ghana for. That is where you know you're different. That is where you know which one to choose. That is when you know which one to choose. You understand? Because to Wakojiska say what they call youth entrepreneurship. Say a mebunu benya a jumaye. Na omedi. Oman kanwe. And mebunu ni bia ba ho se ma ye adwuma. Wo se onya magician na wa mo adwuma. Mentiase. Is the Ghana youth a thinking youth or is just a bulubulu follow youth? Because to President bi ba ya wo de wo adwuma sem ko kire no no. Esan se na wa ko sign contract with IMF. Now you di freeze ato public sector suntino or chima ne ba wutrim se wo kra wo degree na sebe wo ko sua ye no e ya low degree ote or say wo degree no e ya low mahama na ne kan ye or say when our universities chance out graduates who don't have the experience to work, how can we employ them? He said that. Say, sebe, school no kura oko no kura when go sua bibi ebetumi asesen bibi a. Na bebuno. The same problem is sent to another president, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. The same graduate unemployed association problem. Ye de call Mahama ho a wenya solution ama yen no. Ye de call Akufo-Addo ho no. Otena ase osemoma me one day. And of friend the cabinet. Enkolei omatene fiache. A nurse fui omatene fiache. A teacher fui omatene fiache. What do we do? Then the thinking minds of MPP came together say,